Paniza sa sa, paniza sa sa, pani re re re, paniza sa sa, gama paniza sa sa, paniza sa sa, pani re re re, paniza sa sa.
मेरे प्यारे पीजीआई वासियों अक्रॉस बॉर्डर्स, मेरा आप सभी को विद फोल्डेड हैंड्स नमस्कार. It is with great humility, with great pride and with a deep sense of commitment that I am inviting you to next year's second PGI Global Alumni Meet. 18th to 20th December 2026. This is going to be a very special occasion. भाइयों और बहनों, आप लोग पीजीआई की शान हैं. आज पीजीआई का झंडा दुनिया के चारों कोनों में लहरा रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द डिस्टिंग्विश्ड एलमनाई दैट पीजीआई इज सो प्राउड ऑफ. पीजीआई एक धाम है. इस धाम ने आपको विद अ सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमिलिटी बताता हूं, इस बारी ऑप सिंदूर में आगे बढ़ के पार्टिसिपेट किया. आवर नर्सिंग ऑफिसर्स, आवर रेजिडेंट्स, our faculty and above all our drivers were in the thick of action all the 2 weeks during Op Sindoor on border areas. While you all are savoring PGI's contribution to nationalism, I would like to bring on record the contribution made by our MS Dr. Vipin Kaushal in and galvanizing everyone and in no time creating a team that operated on the borders. जो हमारे ड्राइवर गए, ये चीज मैं आपको हाईलाइट करना चाहूंगा. We sent them in 2 batches, बैच नंबर 1 and बैच नंबर 2. जब हमने बैच नंबर 2 को भेजा after 7 days, so the message we got from our drivers from batch number 1 was, हम वापस नहीं आ रहे, आपने अपनी तरफ से सेकंड बैच भेजना है भेज दीजिए, but we will stay put till we are asked to be there. That was the spirit of PGI on display, and I thank Vipin Kaushal ji, I thank the Department of MHA, I thank Ratiram Sharma ji. Believe it or not, we were asked to in no time send blood units there, and I think our special van was operating, and in no time we had sent our warriors from the Department of Blood Transfusion to the forefront with what was needed at that time. उस टाइम खून की जरूरत थी, उस टाइम ड्राइवर्स की जरूरत थी, पीजीआई जज्बात की जरूरत थी, and PGI lived up to be amongst the best. Believe it or not, when I asked for volunteers, in a span of no time, there were so many volunteers that I was finding it difficult to pick up the right ones. And so I decided to go just by hunch, and believe it or not, PGI का झंडा उन्होंने और ऊंचा ठहरा दिया और ऊंचा लहरा दिया. And this has been acknowledged by no one else other than the Honorable Health and Family Welfare Minister Shri J.P. Nadda ji in a press briefing. That is what PGI is all about. Op Sindoor के बाद हमको again जरूरत पड़ी to participate when Kishtwar में Jammu Kashmir में there were floods. It was August 14th, I got a phone call around midnight that there has been a cloud burst in Kishtwar and we need teams to help us in settling things there. August 15th, once the flag hoisting was over, within 15 minutes of the event being over, our team was on its way to Jammu. They were there and they did what was expected from them. That is what PGI is all about. My friends, the purpose of calling you for this conclave is just to relive those memories, just to come and take a bow in front of this dham, जो हमारा alma mater है, so that we can all gel together, we can all form a single unit, and just as they say, we have a medicine sans frontiers, let us convert it into a PGI sans frontiers. With that, I invite you all next year. Looking forward to meeting you. Namaskar. Jai Hind.